Have you ever found yourself wondering how to keep your precious belongings safe, yet also on display for your enjoyment? We've got some fantastic tips for you on how to make the most of self-storage to preserve and showcase your valuable or sentimental items. Imagine this. You've collected a treasure trove of antiques over the years, and they deserve to be cherished and protected. But let's be honest, displaying them all in your home can quickly turn into a cluttered mess. That's where self-storage comes to the rescue. With self-storage, you get a safe and secure environment for your prized possessions. No more worries about accidents or damage at home. These units are designed to keep your items in excellent condition, shielded from dust, humidity, and other potential hazards. But wait, you might say, I still want to enjoy my collections from time to time. That's where the beauty of self-storage shines even brighter. Our facilities are conveniently accessible, allowing you to visit and admire your treasures whenever you want. It's like having a personal museum just a short drive away. Instead of leaving your cherished memorabilia gathering dust in a forgotten corner, why not create a dedicated display in your self-storage unit? Imagine being able to relive those old memories every time you visit. Music aficionados, this one's for you. Vinyl records deserve to be showcased, not hidden away in cardboard boxes. Arrange them neatly in your storage space and create your very own cozy listening nook. Grab your favorite record, put it on, and let the music take you back in time. For the fashion-forward among us, don't let your vintage clothing be hidden in the back of your closet. Set up a mini fashion show in your storage unit. Mix and match those classic pieces, invite friends over, and have a stylish blast. Visit our website at www.arcostorage.com today to find out how we can help you preserve and showcase your cherished belongings with our top-notch self-storage options. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Happy preserving and displaying!